That'll go
Or
crazy.
You should invite like most of the server.
No, because
I got axed.
I can't stay your sword.
dude, I got Night Reaper. Ethan, are you happy with your weapon?
Yeah, axe is good.
We have really
Oh,
good
shit.
weapons in.
Got not hit.
I'm disassembling the rats' bodies.
Nice.
Hey,
And
man.
I can some double jump. Crazy.
Okay, can you protect me real quick? I gotta turn on my autoclick. Oh shit! Fuck!
Yeah, that-
He died.
Yeah.
I think just leave your auto clicker off.
Oh, autoclicker.
Quickler.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys can duo this.
Maybe, hopefully.
I got cow.
So you guys want to lure the guys away from the boss.
See a pig. Dude, look at my. Okay, I have a really good weapon for this.
Oh,
Double jump.
help Bryce, help.
Oh, okay.
Smart guys, come on.
Yeah, we got like. This is like getting the boss down to half health. So now we're the second form basically after this.
So I think Ethan, lure all of the guys towards you.
Alright, I'll try to lure all of them towards me.
Yeah, wait, I can hit him while still running away that side.
Oh, that's the wrong person.
Wait, I got him. Just try and yeah, I'm good. No, I'm not.
Try to kill the pigs. If you can.
Okay, take it
Damn.
on Ethan. Ethan, no!
Pigs have aimbot, bro.
Literally, the pig has aimbot.
Alright, we're good.
Wait, what happens if you got birch tree? That would be OP.
I mean, not. It's fine. Actually, you can solo this.
Maybe. Oh no. Dude, the wish vest actually, the wish vest carried.
Alright, if you see the pig throw, just double jump away.
Oh, what the?
Huh? How does the bro do that?
This guy's an anal.
Okay.
Oh, bad. That was a bad double jump.
No.
Okay, so you can't double jump while facing, or you can't double jump the opposite way you're facing.
Alright, he's at half. He's basically at half like right now.
Yeah. Second
Alright,
floor.
come on.
How will we beat 10-hour burst, man?
We don't.
You gotta solo that actually, or you could, just hit like a lot of people, or that. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, Ryson, you got a solo. You're the best PvPer in our entire friend group. You gotta do this.
I got it.
Come on, 800 left, bro.
When I get stuck in a combo, I'm just gonna double jump away. I can't
Double
okay.
jump. Okay.
And then I use the chickens to heal.
Whoa. That chicken's 1 HP right now.
Yeah, both of them are.
No, not the rat.
There we go.
Rats are like tick and brawl
600
stars,
left.
to be honest.
Oh, get out.
Okay. There's no pig, which is good. God damn it.
What?
Bro, the
What
body's
the
in. Oh look, there's a pig! There's a pig! No! That's gonna screw me over. Yep.
How did that hit?
Just gotta kill the man in nature, then you win.
Huh?
I know, they literally have freaking aimbot. No.
Whoa.
I'm
186.
not, we are not doing what happened to Matter when I died when the boss is at 10 health.
120, bro, please. We win.
Yeah, we win.
Okay, thank you. Let's go.
First try!
I was not first try.
Good job!
Basically first try.
Yeah, basically.
Nature
Oh,
Wrangler. Good job, Bryson. 10 out of 10.
man, that was crazy. I feel like the next
We have
easiest
to
one
beat
of
up
these.
your nuts.
I feel like the next easiest one is either Luigi or Skeleton.
Yeah. Or
It has to
Clef.
be an open map.
Yeah, we need base plate for Skeleton.
I never actually got the matter badge yet.
Support.
So can we do that?
You guys are
Really
screwed.
bad.
Oh, we can do matter, yeah. We can do matter after this.
Yeah.
I got
What do you
APW
I got 10-hour burst shot.
or SSG.
Oh.
And he spawns right fucking on me.
Damn, he really went for seconds.
How?
Actually, we're winning.
Can we restart?
Got you.
Let me cook. Oh, yeah, no, you should restart.
Killer.
Oh, Ryan doing. Oh, Ryan left.
And he left. Okay.
Alright, we'll do matter. As a quick
Yeah.
charisma.
Is there
boost
like,
for
can you
main case.
force the map for like skeleton something?
It's random.
No, we can't.
Fuck. Aw.
We tried.
8,000? Yeah!
Yeah, 8,000.
Oh my god. Why is it so much?
Let's go.
Dude. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
good.
no, so don't stay in that inner circle, just stay in this outer area.
Guys, I'm the 10-hour burst man. I'm the boss.
Come on. And come on, drop! Oh, that missed.